Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bersyadian, blind view monitor, bagi way. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Maoyongrim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Kyrtong ke National People's Party, Dr. R.L. Nonglait, Ulong, bola nang yuak minsim, hakajing halap election ke jong hakini kenyat banai belait no, ban paru, bodon jingkan men, ban yuak ket, yu so jong ke jing job. Habakaran cikilat thai kubor, Dr. Nonglait ulaya thuru, bayar ke no objection certificate, ladap apply ke Northeastern Hills University, Lingba, the Executive Council, ladap IJ menjur, baula banyak yak election bat menta udang up setang kajing NOC nagani ke sekolah ba.
NOC has been released. The Executive Council has been held yesterday, and it was decided that permission will be given to me and also to the other person. But then the minutes have not been out, and as soon as the minutes are out, then only they will issue us their NOC. And I keep my pace slow and steady, but the response is quite positive, and I hope we will achieve the goals, and with the support of the people, I don't have any doubt that we will come out successfully. There is no such battle as you have said, like professional. This is election, and everyone can join the fray, be he or she a teacher, an administrator, or anyone. It is always challenging. I should not take it lightly, but then I'm sure that we will come out successfully.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jala ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ka khubor bala pau perthai Hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka leer ka baya bentalang hinre ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artli ki jala menta kis dang pen khre banthaw ya ka joint action plan